Hello, fellow adventurers. When a hurricane hits Florida, preparation is key to staying safe. Here are 10 essential tips and the must-have. Supplies you should stock up on. Tip 1. Have enough backup power. Stock up on batteries, flashlights, and portable chargers to keep your essentials running. Tip 2. Water is critical. Make sure you have at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for drinking and sanitation. Tip 3. Non-perishable food. Canned goods, dry snacks, and easy-to-make meals should be enough to last at least 3 to 7 days. Tip 4. A first aid kit can save lives. Don't forget essential medications and supplies to treat minor injuries. Tip 5. Stay informed with a battery-powered radio. Communication is vital in a storm. Tip 6. Prepare an emergency kit with blankets, hygiene products, and clothing. Tip 7. Protect your important documents in waterproof bags. Tip 8. Have a plan for sanitation needs, especially if the water supply is compromised. Tip 9. Fill up your car's gas tank. Don't get stranded without fuel. Tip 10. After the storm, safety first. Avoid flooded areas and stay indoors until it's safe to go out. For more insights on hurricanes, check out my video on Hurricane Milton. Being ready for a hurricane isn't just about getting through the storm. It's about ensuring your family is safe. Stay prepared, and thanks for watching.